Let's see how to write text over images in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and insert our picture. Now, what we can do if you want to insert a text and place it right on top of the image is click on the Insert tab, and let's insert a text box. So click on Simple Text Box. Now, let's go ahead and change the outline. Let's remove the outline and change the fill color to no fill. Now let's also change the layout options and place it in front of text, and that will allow your text to be placed in front of the image. Now let's go ahead and type in our text. Change the font size. And as you can see, we now have our text on top of the image. Now another method you can do is click on the Insert tab again. Now click on Word Art, and that will open up a drop-down list of the different options that you can choose from. Now let's go ahead and click one. Now let's type in our text and simply drag it onto the picture, and that will automatically be placed right on top of the image. And that is how you write text right on top of an image in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.